For the factory Ford Explorer wheel rims, the wheel width is smaller than the aftermarket wheels. When there is an increase in wheel width and a lack of back spacing, the Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the back spacing.
Wheel spacers are an essential modification for off-roaders and performance enthusiasts. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacer increase the track weight, which enhance grip and reduce body roll. This is especially beneficial for an off-road SUV, improving control on rough terrains and during high speed. Many aftermarket wheels and off-road tires have different offset requirements. Bonus forged aluminum wheel spacer help you achieve perfect clearance and alignment without compromising safety. These bonus wheel spacers are made from high-strength aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6. These spacers offer exceptional durability and lightweight performance. Ensure your wheel spacer precisely match your vehicle's bolt pattern for optimal performance. Good hub-central wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. Bonus forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-central rings. The hub-central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. This means they are made according to your vehicle's specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.